Is your engine shaking, losing power, and eating through gas like crazy? A faulty fuel injector could be the hidden culprit destroying your engine performance and draining your wallet at the pump. You are likely dealing with diagnostic trouble code P02F0, which stands for Cylinder Injector Circuit Range or Performance. This generic onboard diagnostics 2 code applies to most vehicles on the road today. It means your powertrain control module, which is your engine main computer, has detected that the fuel injector for a specific cylinder in the firing order is malfunctioning or operating out of its normal range. When this happens, the symptoms are very noticeable. Your check engine light will immediately illuminate. You will feel the engine running much rougher than normal, especially at idle. You will also experience a major lack of power when you press the gas pedal to merge onto the highway, and you will notice a massive drop in your overall fuel economy. The causes for this code usually come down to a dirty, plugged, or completely faulty fuel injector. However, the issue is very often electrical. You could have an open or shorted wire in the fuel injector harness, a bad connection from the engine computer to the injector, or simply a loose or badly corroded electrical connector. To fix this at home, start with the most common culprit, which is the electrical connection. Locate the plastic connector on the fuel injector. Pull off the retaining wire clip, remove the connector, and look closely inside for any green corrosion or bent metal pins. If it looks bad, clean it thoroughly, apply a small amount of dielectric grease, and plug it back in securely. Next, start the engine and use a long screwdriver as a makeshift stethoscope. Put the metal tip directly on the injector body and press the plastic handle against your ear. You should hear a sharp, rhythmic clicking sound. If there is no click, unplug it and use a digital voltmeter to check for power. If you have power, but there is absolutely no clicking sound, the injector has failed internally and needs to be replaced. If it is clicking but still causing a misfire, it might just be clogged with carbon. You can buy a direct fuel injector flush kit from your local auto parts store. You will need to pull the fuel pump fuse, hook the pressurized cleaner bottle directly to your fuel rail test port, and run the engine until the bottle is completely empty. If you have tested the power, tried flushing the fuel system, and the wiring harness looks perfectly fine, but the code still remains, it is time to visit a professional mechanic. Tracing deep electrical shorts or replacing an injector that is buried deep under the intake manifold can get incredibly complicated very quickly. Take care of that injector issue right away, and your engine will thank you with smooth driving and better gas mileage for many miles ahead.